Just a little update. It's our first official big snowstorm of the season. And I am in bedroom slippers, capris, long socks, a sweater, and like a tank top dress thing. It's not that cold out. But it is snowing. I'm looking for a sled thing for my son because he wants to sled down some of the hills we have, but I don't see it. So it must be in the basement. Anyway, that's what it looks like. It's not bad. It's less than a foot, actually. It looks like a foot, but when you dig down, it's only less than a foot. Everything is covered. There's the greenhouse. Ducks and chickens are that way. I'm not going to venture out just yet. Oh, found it. They're like little, the zipper things. Zipper? Zoomer? I don't know what you call these. Yeah, so just clean it off. And then there you go. Thanks. You're welcome. Okay. It is nice. The first snowfall is always nice when it's nice and thick and people can go out and enjoy it. And husband's enjoying the newly repaired snowblower. Yeah. No one's cleaning cars off today, that's for sure. We're not going anywhere. The roads are horrible apparently, and people are there were many accidents in our area, which is quite surprising. Because we live out in the country. People know how to drive in the snow, and they I think it was something to do with like unanticipated ice on the road, and then I've heard that our county didn't send the snowplows out because of that, probably because of that risk. And so that made it dangerous to go driving, and we were warned, but sometimes you do have to be out on the road. So unfortunately there are many accidents, but thankfully nothing serious, so that's great. Yeah. Anyways, enjoy whatever weather you're having. I hope you're enjoying it.